Hi, this is N. John Sukumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics. Welcome to my channel. National level workshop organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell IQAC and Maharashtra National Law University, Mumbai. One-day hands-on training workshop on intellectual property rights (IPR). On 30th November 2021. Time 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Virtual mode platform. No registration fee. All the lecturers, faculty members, students and research scholars are invited. E-certificate will be provided. Registration and WhatsApp link that you can get in my description. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.